Hey everyone, welcome back to Talking Easy channel. It's so nice to have you here again. I'm Ella.
Hi, friends. I'm Alex, and we're really happy you're joining us today. On this channel, we help you practice real, everyday English.
Exactly. And today's topic is perfect for this time of year. We're going to talk about how to share your plans for 2026 in natural English.
Yes, can you believe it? 2026 is coming soon. It's the best time to talk about our goals, dreams, and plans for the new year.
Right. We all have something we want to do, right? Maybe travel, learn something new, or get healthier.
Absolutely. And in English, there are many ways to talk about your future plans. Some sound casual, some more serious. Today, we'll help you sound natural when you talk about your 2026 plans.
So stay with us until the end because we have a small challenge for you. And please like and subscribe to support our channel.
Okay, let's start with a question. Do you already have any plans for 2026?
Yes, I do. I want to make 2026 a year full of learning and happiness.
That sounds nice. Tell me more. What's your first plan?
Well, I'm going to learn a new language. I really want to learn Korean.
Korean? That's awesome. I didn't know you were interested in that.
Yes, I've always wanted to learn it because I love Korean music and dramas. In 2026, I'm finally going to do it.
That's a great idea. Learning something new always makes life more interesting. How will you learn? Will you take a class?
I'm planning to use language apps first. There are many good ones like Duolingo and others. I'm going to practice for 20 minutes every day.
Every day. Wow, that's a strong goal.
I know, I'll try my best. Let's see if I can keep going.
You can do it. I believe in you. What else do you want to do in 2026?
I also want to travel more. I'm hoping to visit at least 2 new places next year.
2 places? That's exciting. Which ones are you thinking about?
I'm thinking about Thailand and maybe Portugal, but nothing is decided yet.
Those sound amazing. Thailand has beautiful beaches and delicious food.
Really? Have you been there?
Yes, I went there last year. The food was incredible. But what about you? What are your plans for 2026?
Oh, I want to hear yours too. Tell me.
Well, I have a few plans. First, I'm going to focus more on my health.
Your health? Tell me more.
Well, I want to exercise more often. Right now, I only exercise once a week. Next year, I'm going to work out 3 times a week.
3 times? That's great.
Yes, I really want to build a healthy habit. I'm also planning to drink more water and sleep earlier.
That's such a good plan. When your body feels good, everything feels better.
Exactly. And there's something else. I want to save more money in 2026.
Oh, nice. How much are you planning to save?
I'm hoping to save a little bit every month, maybe $100 or $200. I want to have an emergency fund.
That's smart. Having savings gives you peace of mind.
Yes, and one more thing. I'm going to spend more time with my family.
That's wonderful. Family time is so important.
I know. Last year I was too busy with work. In 2026, I'm planning to visit my parents at least once a month.
That's really sweet. I'm sure they'll be happy.
I hope so. I'm really looking forward to 2026. I feel it's going to be a great year.
I feel the same, and I'm sure our listeners also have some great plans for the new year.
You know, while we were talking, we used many different ways to talk about our future plans.
That's right. We didn't just say, I will do this. There are several natural ways to express plans in English.
Exactly. So let's take a closer look. Let's help our listeners understand how to use each one correctly.
Great idea.
The first one we used is going to. Do you remember when we said, I'm going to learn Korean or I'm going to focus on my health?
Yes, going to is perfect when you already decided what to do. It means your plan is real, not just an idea.
Exactly. When you say, I'm going to start exercising, it means you've already made up your mind. You're ready to do it.
Right, so going to equals definite plan, something you already decided.
Perfect. Now, the second phrase we used was planning to.
For example, I'm planning to use language apps, or I'm planning to visit my parents.
Yes, planning to means you have a plan in mind, but maybe you haven't finished all the details yet. You're preparing for it.
For example, I said, I'm planning to use apps. That means I know what I want, but I haven't started yet.
Exactly. So, going to is for something definite, and planning to means you're still organizing or thinking about it.
And then we also used hoping to and want to.
Remember when you said, I'm hoping to visit Thailand and I want to travel more?
Of course, those phrases are great when you talk about dreams or wishes, things you'd love to do, but maybe you're not sure yet if they'll happen.
Right. When you say, I'm hoping to visit Thailand, it means you really want it, but maybe you still need to check your time, money, or other things.
So let's make it clear for our listeners.
Going to equals definite plan. You already decided.
Planning to means you're preparing or organizing the plan.
Hoping to or want to means a dream or wish. Not 100% sure yet.
Perfect summary.
Let's give a few more examples so everyone can practice.
Okay, imagine this. Someone asks you about your career in 2026. What would you say?
I could say, I'm going to ask my boss for a raise. That's a definite plan.
Good example. What about planning to?
I could say, I'm planning to take an online course to learn new skills. That means I haven't signed up yet, but I'm preparing for it.
Nice. And what's one of your dreams or wishes?
I'm hoping to start a small side business one day, maybe in late 2026. It's something I really want to do.
That's a great example. So you used all three forms naturally.
Now, let's switch. What about your personal life plans?
Well, I'm going to read more books. That's something I've already decided.
That's wonderful. A real going to plan. How many books?
I'm planning to read one book every month, so 12 books in a year.
That's great. What kind of books do you like?
I like novels and self-help books, and I'm hoping to find some good English books to practice my reading.
That's so smart. Reading is a great way to learn vocabulary.
I hope so.
But we should also show our listeners how to ask other people about their future plans.
Yes, that's very useful. Let's teach a few easy questions they can use.
Okay, the most common one is, what are your plans for 2026?
Or you can ask, do you have any plans for the new year?
Good one. You can also say, are you planning to do anything special in 2026?
And to be more specific, try, do you have any travel plans? Or are you planning to learn something new?
These are great for real conversations.
Let's practice a few question and answer examples, just like we would in daily life.
Sure, you ask me first.
All right. Are you planning to make any changes in your life in 2026?
Yes, I am. I'm going to wake up earlier. I'm planning to start my day at 6 a.m.
Nice answer. Okay, your turn to ask me.
Do you have any health goals for 2026?
Actually, yes. I'm hoping to lose a few kilograms, maybe 5. I want to feel more energetic.
That sounds great. It feels so natural when you answer like that.
Exactly. This is how people really talk about their plans in daily English.
All right, I think we've explained the main structures very clearly, but there's one more important thing we should talk about.
What's that?
The mistakes many English learners make when they talk about future plans.
Exactly. Let's go through some of the most common ones so our listeners can avoid them.
The first mistake is using will instead of going to when the plan is already decided.
For example, many students say, I will go to the gym tomorrow, even though they already planned it.
Yes, but if you decided before speaking, you should say, I'm going to go to the gym tomorrow.
That's because will is for spontaneous decisions, things you decide at the moment, or for predictions.
Exactly. If my friend suddenly invites me to coffee and I say yes right away, I can say, sure, I will have coffee with you. That's a quick decision.
Perfect example. But if you already planned it yesterday, then you use going to.
And remember, will is also used for predictions. For example, I think it will rain tomorrow, or I think 2026 will be a great year.
Nice and clear. Let's move to another common mistake, forgetting the word to after planning, hoping, or want.
Yes, I often hear students say, I'm planning learn guitar, which is wrong.
The correct sentence is, I'm planning to learn guitar. Or they say, I want visit Japan. It should be, I want to visit Japan.
That little word to makes a big difference. It's small, but very important. Don't forget it.
Another mistake is about word order. Some learners mix it up.
Right. Remember the correct structure is subject plus am, is, or are plus going to, planning to, hoping to plus verb.
For example, wrong, I to go am gym. Correct, I am going to go to the gym.
The first one sounds funny, but it's a very common mistake.
Yes, and one more. Sometimes learners use the wrong verb form after going to, planning to, or hoping to.
Oh, yes, they might say, I'm going to studying, but that's wrong. It should be, I'm going to study.
Exactly. After to, we always use the base form, not the ing form.
So we say, I'm going to study, I'm planning to travel, I'm hoping to learn.
Good reminder.
All right, now let's move on to something fun, useful vocabulary for talking about plans and goals.
Great idea. Let's teach our listeners a few words that can make their English sound more natural.
The first one is resolution. Do you know this word?
Of course, a resolution means a strong decision to do something, especially at the start of a new year.
Yes, people often say, my New Year's resolution is to exercise more, or my resolution for 2026 is to save money.
Perfect. Another useful word is goal. A goal is something you want to achieve.
Exactly. Like, my goal is to learn Spanish, or my goal for 2026 is to read 24 books.
We also have aim. It's quite similar to goal.
You can say, I aim to finish this project by March, or I'm aiming to improve my English.
That's a good one. And there's intend, which sounds a bit more formal.
Yes, intend means you plan or mean to do something. For example, I intend to start my own business next year, or I intend to travel more.
Now, let's add some adjectives or phrases people can use with their plans.
Sure.
First, if your plan is very serious or important, you can say, I'm determined to.
For example, I'm determined to pass this exam, or I'm determined to finish my degree.
And if you're not 100% sure yet, you can use I'm considering.
For example, I'm considering changing jobs, or I'm considering moving to another city.
Another great phrase is I'm looking forward to. It means you're excited about something in the future.
Yes, like I'm looking forward to starting my new job, or I'm looking forward to 2026.
But remember, after looking forward to, we use ing, not the base form.
Exactly. So we say, I'm looking forward to seeing you, not I'm looking forward to see you.
That's such an easy mistake to make, but now you know how to fix it.
Let's share a few more natural phrases before we move on.
Okay.
You can also say, I've decided to, I'm thinking about, I might, I'm definitely going to, and if everything goes well,
Great. Let's use them in sentences.
I've decided to quit smoking.
I'm thinking about getting a pet.
I might travel to Europe.
I'm definitely going to learn to drive.
If everything goes well, I'll graduate this year.
Beautiful examples. These are the kinds of phrases that make your English sound fluent and natural.
All right, now that we've learned all the expressions and vocabulary, let's put everything together in one natural conversation.
A great idea. Let's imagine we're meeting after a long time right before the new year.
Perfect. Ready?
Ready. Let's go.
Hey, happy almost 2026. It's been weeks since I last saw you. How have you been?
Hey, I've been good, thanks. Can you believe how fast this year went by?
I know, time flies. So, do you have any exciting plans for 2026?
Actually, yes. I'm going to make some positive changes.
Really? Tell me more.
Well, first, I'm definitely going to exercise more. I've already bought new running shoes.
Running? That sounds great. How often are you planning to run?
I'm thinking about 3 times a week, maybe in the mornings before work.
That's wonderful. Morning exercise gives you energy for the whole day.
I hope so. What about you? Any goals for the new year?
Yes, I'm planning to learn photography. I just got a new camera as a gift.
Photography? That's awesome. Are you going to take a course?
I'm thinking about joining an online class, maybe a beginner's course first.
That's a good plan. You can learn at your own pace.
Exactly. And I'm also hoping to travel somewhere nice to practice taking photos.
Oh, where are you thinking of going?
I'm hoping to visit Japan. The scenery there looks amazing in photos.
Japan would be perfect for photography. All those temples and cherry blossoms.
I know, right? I'm really looking forward to it.
What about work? Any goals there?
Actually, yes. I'm considering applying for a promotion. I've been at my company for 2 years now.
You should go for it. You work really hard.
Thanks. I'm a bit nervous, but I'm determined to try.
That's the right attitude. You never know until you try.
True. Sounds like both of us are ready for a busy, exciting year.
Definitely. I'm really looking forward to 2026. I feel it's going to be great.
I agree. Let's make it our best year yet.
And that, everyone, is how you can have a natural conversation about your future plans in English.
So we covered a lot today. So let's quickly recap what we learned.
Good idea.
First, we talked about the 3 main ways to express future plans.
Going to for definite plans you've already decided.
Planning to for plans you're organizing or preparing.
And hoping to or want to for dreams or wishes, not 100% certain.
Then we learned some question forms like, what are your plans for 2026? Do you have any plans for the new year? Are you planning to do anything special?
We also covered common mistakes like forgetting to after want, plan,